Let's organise our library of references by putting them into groups. To create a group, right-click on My Groups and choose Create Group. Give it a name. Alternatively, you can use the Groups menu. You can drag and drop references from All References into your groups. Or you can right-click on an item and choose Add References To. Items can be in more than one group. Think of groups more like playlists than folders. All your references will always remain in All References unless you move them to the trash. You can also create group sets to organise groups into a broader category. Drag and drop your groups into the group sets. EndNote has a category called Unfiled, which is quite useful. This shows you all the references that you have not yet put into a group. To quickly search your EndNote library, choose All References and use the search bar. An advanced search is also available.